For my family,
JD Studios.
for my family, I'm trying to live long. For my family, if I'm not worth it, then my family, please do it for my family. One more breath for my family. I'm just tryna see light at the end of the tunnel. See more life in this concrete jungle before you cut my supply. I'm tryna leave something for my family, something which can multiply, something to help them go by. Every day that we live, it's survival of the fittest, but even the fittest shall die. Oh, Jah Jah, roar that this earth may tremble. Roar and release my strongholds, my problems, so I live on. Jah Jah, for my family, Jah Jah, for my family, Jah Jah. Look into my eyes and you see my cry. If you could read my heart, then you will know why. Let me tell you something to help you by. I need a fortune teller. Is my future brighter? Can it get any better? Or things will get tighter? Should I write a letter and send it to the maker? Cause I'm just trying to see light at the end of the tunnel. See more life in this concrete jungle before you cut my supply. I'm tryna leave something for my family, something to help them go by, something to help them survive. Every day that we breathe, it's survival of the fittest, but even the fittest shall die. Roar, oh roar that this earth may tremble. Roar and release my strongholds, my problems, so I live on. Jah Jah, for my family, Jah Jah, for my family, Jah Jah. Sanitize your hand to defeat corona. Purify the air, we can smell the odor. Sanctify your heart before it's too late. Search for the savior, the end is near. Like you sanitize your hand to defeat corona. Purify the air, we can smell the odor. Sanctify your heart before it's too late. Search for the savior, the end is near. I will knock and knock and knock until you hear me. I will knock and knock and knock until you hear me. I will knock and knock and knock until you hear me. I will knock and knock and knock until you hear me. For my family, no way. For my family, no. For my family.